Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft and one of the wealthiest individuals in the world, has pledged to give away the majority of his estimated $200 billion fortune, with a strong focus on improving health and education across Africa. This significant philanthropic commitment aligns with his long-standing efforts through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which has invested billions over the past 2 decades in global health initiatives, vaccine development, agricultural support, and educational reform. Gates emphasized that his vision is rooted in the belief that every country in Africa should be on a path to prosperity, highlighting the need for equal opportunity and access to basic services regardless of geography. This latest vow represents not only a financial commitment, but also a philosophical stance on the responsibilities of the ultra-wealthy. Gates has often spoken about the moral imperative to give back, especially when so many people around the world still face preventable suffering. In Africa, despite significant progress, millions continue to lack access to quality healthcare, safe childbirth conditions, clean water, nutrition, and quality education, elements Gates believes are foundational to human development and economic growth. By channeling resources into health and education, Gates hopes to help break the cycles of poverty that persist in many parts of the continent. He has frequently noted that investments in vaccines, disease eradication, and maternal health yield some of the highest returns in terms of lives saved and economic potential unleashed. The Foundation's past work includes helping drive down malaria and polio cases, supporting child immunization programs, and backing local innovators and public health strategies. On the education front, Gates wants to support scalable interventions that improve early learning, teacher training, and digital access, particularly in rural and underserved areas. Gates also pointed out that African nations are full of potential, with a youthful population, entrepreneurial energy, and increasing access to technology. He believes that well-targeted philanthropic and governmental efforts can catalyze large-scale change, especially when paired with local leadership and accountability. The tech billionaire stressed that his foundation would work closely with African partners to ensure that efforts are aligned with local needs and led by the people they're intended to help. This announcement has sparked renewed interest in the role of private wealth in tackling global inequality. While critics often question the influence of billionaires in shaping public health and education policy, Gates insists that his intention is not to direct, but to support, by providing tools, funding, and expertise that local governments and organizations can use as they see fit. As he continues to divest from personal wealth and redirect it toward his philanthropic mission, Gates appears increasingly focused on long-term impact over personal legacy. His vision underscores the idea that prosperity in Africa is not only possible but essential for global stability, equity, and progress.